On Thursday, April 30th, we will be doing our 7th one-hour class on sales. This class is on supporting a salesperson. Last December, we agreed to hold a one-day class for a group in New Jersey. Last week, they decided to hold the class online. This is our basic one-day markup and profit class, and it's now available to anyone who wants to attend. This class will be on May 15th, beginning at 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's $189, and it includes a printed copy of Markup and Profit Revisited. Attendees outside the U.S. will receive the ebook. Register at markupandprofit.com/more. Our two-day class, held online for the first time on Thursday and Friday, April 23rd and 24th, went as smoothly as we had hoped it would. We'll consider doing it again. Please let us know if you're interested, and we will put together another class. Today's newsletter article is titled, Estimating Errors Are Lost Profit. Estimating the cost of a project accurately is critical if you want to be profitable. When you miss items or underestimate how long it will take, the job will cost more to build than anticipated. That additional cost comes straight out of your profits. The one problem area I hear about most frequently is estimating labor. This is a problem primarily with remodeling and specialty contractors, but to some degree it also applies to those building new homes. Most contractors I talk to estimate labor by the hour. They look at the job and decide how much time it will take them to do the work. Then they sell the job and hand it off to their employees, who always seem to take longer than the estimator thought it would take to do the job. There are many reasons for this, but the end result is the labor estimate being either a little bit low or way too low for the work that needs to be done. And just like that, the profit is gone. Consider trying something different. First, let's look up at your labor rate. Most companies have a 1, 2, or 3-man crew doing the work. Set your hourly rate for the crew working as a unit. Now remember, the rate is figured using the fully burdened rate for each person on the crew. Here is an example. Your crew is Pete and Sam. Pete is paid $20 an hour and Sam is paid $16 an hour. But we need their fully burdened rate on your estimate sheets. The fully burdened labor rate is the actual cost of an hour's labor. It includes payroll taxes, workman's comp, vacation pay, health insurance, and any other benefits or expenses related to their employment. If you have no idea what your fully burdened rate is, multiply the hourly rate by 1.35 and that will get you close. It is better to calculate your own fully burdened rate because it will vary widely based on what you're required to provide, like workman's compensation, and the benefits you choose to provide, vacation pay or sick pay, retirement plans, that sort of thing. In California, I'd recommend multiplying the hourly rate by 1.48. Your best bet is to ask your CPA for the right rate for your business. I'll use 1.35 in this example. Pete's pay is $20 an hour, so 20 times 1.35 equals $27 an hour. Sam's pay is $16 an hour, so 16 times 1.35 equals $21.60, and let's round that up to $22 an hour. Add them together, and this crew cost us $49 an hour. If you have more than one crew doing the same work, with one crew costing you $49 an hour and the other crew costing you $52 an hour, use the $52 an hour rate for all your estimates. Now let's talk about the time estimated to build a job. Don't estimate by the hour. Estimate in 4-hour blocks. If you have a demo job that you think will take your crew 10 hours to do, put 12 hours on your estimate sheet. If you have a small 1, 2, or 3 hour job, put 4 hours on your estimate sheet. If you think your crew will take 19 hours, put 20 hours on your estimate. When you estimate 12 hours for Pete and Sam to do the demolition at $49 an hour, the estimated cost for demolition then is 12 times 49 or $588. Now please, don't tell me this will push the cost of the job up so high you can't sell it. It won't. Once you try this method, you'll quickly see it won't make one iota of difference in your ability to sell your jobs. Unless, of course, you're trying to sell price. If you're selling price, your estimate doesn't matter anyway. As your estimates get closer to actual cost, you may be tempted to go back to estimating on an hourly basis. Don't do that. Stay with this method until you have at least 5, preferably 6 jobs in a row with correct labor estimates. Then and only then consider estimating in 2-hour blocks instead of a 4-hour block of time. It's easy to blame all cost overruns on production, but if your labor estimates are consistently too low, it's your estimating that's the problem. This little trick forces you to get on top of your numbers and stay on them. Some of you are working as hard as ever. The current situation hasn't affected your company. Others are waiting at home for all clear from your government so that they can get back to work. If that's you, take the time to improve your estimating skills. We have a 12-hour class on estimating that has helped many contractors improve their estimating so they can price jobs more accurately and make more money. It is called Profitable Estimating and can be found at markupandprofit.com/more and then look under Estimating. Combined with our fast track estimating software, once you know how, you can create your estimates more quickly as well. Let us know if we can help, and may the profits be with you.